So someone made that for you?
Yeah.
Dude, that's snazzy. Where did you get the idea? I mean, I've done the beer can chicken.
Years ago, I found the stand for the chicken, exactly, the beer can chicken. And I realized that it cooks the chicken a little better because it's cooking from the inside and the outside. You twist the
I like this
wings
little
behind your
maneuver.
back.
Put your wings behind your back.
There we go.
And we're not gonna season this.
No seasoning.
No seasoning under
Unless
the skin.
you want to eat the skin, I found that it doesn't give any extra flavors to the meat. But if you say so, I will agree with you.
No need. Jay's gonna be all over this seasoning thing with his homemade gravy.
All right,
Now, this is onion powder, garlic, and white pepper. That is for the stock.
a little bay leaf,
Yep,
Turkish or Californian?
that's California.
Californian. So we're just gonna make a standard roux.
There we go.
Come to Papa. You whisk that so you don't make yourself any dumplings.
That's right.
That's good. That's got real big flavor.
The stuffing will, too.
Celery, carrots, just dump them in.
Dump them
Not
right
gonna
in.
saute them or anything?
No, 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 no. That's for fancy places.
White onion?
White onion, Spanish onion, yeah.
I didn't talk to it. How'd you know it was Spanish?
Now the turkey, little chunks between the stuffing.
The white pepper, cumin, seasoned salt, and the poultry seasoning. Whisk.
Whisk a little bit, and well, we let it simmer for about 10 minutes.
We don't want to break the veggies down, right?
That's right. Put it right in here.
Wow. And now I'm going to smash them out.
Now we gotta bake this. It's not done. There we go.
And there are potatoes to mash and squash to whip up.
Now whipping it with a whip keeps it a little stringy. You want it a little stringy.
Everything you do has got a little magic behind it.
But the real magic
Here we go.
is when it's all on one plate.
Wow. The turkey's super money tender. The gravy, which is money, stuffing, you can still taste the texture of the vegetables, but it's creamy. That's really good. Have you eaten the Thanksgiving-a-thon here before? Or?
Thanksgiving in July.
Yeah, Thanksgiving in September, February, about any time you want it.
Well, that's one of the cool things. You get it anytime you want.
And if Thanksgiving on a plate isn't your thing,
Those are our Pilgrim sandwiches, you guys.
like Thanksgiving dinner.
That's right, it is Thanksgiving. All in a roll.
We're gonna make a pilgrim sandwich.
Okay. Okay, so cranberries.
Put stuffing in it.
That's a nice giddy up.
Usually it's all white meat unless the customer asks for
So you pretty much make and do and give whatever they want?
they want.
Holy enchilada, how much you gonna give them? Should call that sandwich the good night. How many of these you sell a day?
About 45, I would say.
45 a
45, 50, yeah.
No wonder you go do 700,000 turkeys a year. Now, do you eat this with is there like a contraption?
Well, when there's gravy in it, it's best to eat it with a fork and knife.
I got the gravy, the stuffing. That's awesome.
Thanks.
That stands up there in the best turkey sandwiches I've ever had.
Wow.
Here goes the championship bite. Look at that. Did you hear piggy noise when you bit into it? I'm gonna say, eat them up.
Eat up.
Like it all mixed up, just like Thanksgiving.
Put it all together.
Is this for real? Let me get another guy. Help me eat it.
We're gonna make the gravy for the turkey chop. Start off with a little clarified butter, a little flour.
So we're making the roux.
We're gonna brown our roux,
It's all right, we're getting this going.
onions, and whisk that in real good.
Okay.
Now we're gonna add our chicken stock.
So there's the gravy for it.
We're gonna add a little black pepper.
And a little kitchen bouquet, some nice color. Okay. Next up, time for the turkey chop. And that is, man, you're right.
Now we're gonna do our seasoning. A little seasoning salt, granulated garlic, Cajun seasoning, and black pepper.
Gotcha.
Mix it nice and good. Add it to the flour.
Gotcha. And that's it, no wash or anything, just putting a little light coating on them.
Light, nice little coating on them. Now they're ready for the fryer.
Dig it. How long do they cook for?
3 to 5 minutes in the fryer. Now we can ready saute our onions, add our turkey chops. Now we adding some of our homemade gravy we made.
Sure love your onions, man.
Yeah, nice onion flavor. Let that simmer for a minute. Ready to be served. So rice pilaf, string bean. Some other turkey chops.
That's real deal right there, bud. Tastes like a light pork chop. Breading's not too heavy. Nice little bit of onion flavor. You do like your onions.
Yes.
Nice job. This is the first time I've ever seen it. Nicely done, Kels.
Thank you.
What is the big stock pot for?
Well, that's the funny thing here. We boil our turkeys.
You boil the turkey?
Boil the turkey. We don't roast it. Start off with some onions, celery, then carrots.
It's sure gonna change your Thanksgiving, ain't it?
Throw in a little bit of pepper, and now salt. Put in our water.
He picked up that 5-gallon bucket of water like he was dumping over a cup of coffee, and now you're just gonna manhandle this over to the stove.
This boils for about 2.5 hours.
Get done, cool down a little bit. How do we make a gravy if there's no pan drippings?
From the stock. Butter, let that melt. Add our flour, mix, let the flour cook a little bit. Add our turkey stock, whisk it together. Add a little bit of salt, black pepper, whisk, voila.
Now what are we into?
We're gonna make our stuffing. A little bit of vegetable oil, onions, celery, my carrot. I'm gonna let them cook down a pretty good bit.
What else do we have going in there?
Pound of butter, apple mixture. This is made from my dear old baker.
I really don't know where we're going at this point.
Throw in my garlic, my sage.
Whoa, the whole garden, huh, brother?
A little bit of black pepper, salt, a little bit of sugar.
There wasn't enough in the apple pie filling?
No, and a little bit of poultry seasoning. And we mix that.
Sugar.
Let that cook down. Now we're gonna start with the breadcrumb mixture that I make with challah bread, which is made here. Throw this in my pot. Then we'll add the eggs, a little bit of turkey stock, and we'll mix it a little bit.
To hold it?
No, actually, I'll leave it.
Oh.
I'll leave it so I turn it as I need it. Now we're gonna add the veggie mixture.
Get it all?
Combine everything.
Rowing down the river right now?
Exactly. Ready to go. Well, we're gonna coat our pans.
A little Aquanet.
Now let's make some stuffing.
Okay. So it's stuffing loaf. How long is it gonna go?
It's gonna go about 45 minutes to an hour.
45 to an hour, bring it out. Look at that nice crunch on top. Let's cut the stuffing. That is dense.
We'll always coat this with a little bit of gravy. All right, we're gonna go ahead and clean the turkey.
Okay. Now this is the non-roasted turkey. This is boiled.
Carve you off a piece. I'll dip it in the stock.
That it cooked in?
Make sure it's nice and hot, and then we put it on top. Right
Okay.
now, your gravy. Top it
More
one more
gravy?
time. A little bit of gravy on top.
That's a good night meal right there. Wow, that's big flavor, man. Tender turkey, big flavor in the gravy.
How's the stuffing?
I gotta tell you, man, it's good. I didn't think you were gonna pull it off with those apples. You know what I'm picking up is the cinnamon. That's Thanksgiving on a plate every day. Way to go.
Thank you.
So what are we gonna make?
The turkey artichoke panini. So we're going to season our turkey breast with some salt and pepper, put it in our bag, put her in,
Teamwork.
vacuum seal it.
Into the sous vide, and while
Right.
we're doing that, we'll make the artichoke tapenade.
Sounds perfect. Artichokes, green stuffed olives in there, Parmesan, Asiago, and Romano, garlic, parsley, but it's Italian, salt and pepper, rind and lemon juice,
We're on the edge today, folks.
California olive oil, some basil.
And you must grow this.
I grow all my herbs.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's done. Last but not least,
My famous fresh basil dressing.
famous.
People want to drink it out of the things they tell me, so yeah. Grapeseed oil, California olive oil, local honey, brown rice vinegar, white wine vinegar, a little bit of water, a little bit of onion, garlic,
She moves fast, folks. Stick with it.
oregano, dry mustard, Italian parsley,
Right.
and then our basil.
Okay.
And then a little bit of salt.
The chugging it thing, that's 1,000% drinkable. That's a savory milkshake. Okay, are we ready to make the sandwich?
Let's make the sandwich.
Fantastic.
We're gonna start with a really nice rustic bread, sous vide turkey,
Nice and tender.
artichoke tapenade.
Be generous with that.
The fresh basil dressing is gonna go over our tomatoes and the Swiss.
All right, let's go to the panini press. Can't believe there's cement here. There must be a path worn out where she's run back and forth. Smell and food trigger the most memory, in my opinion.
Absolutely.
So I was raised in a little town called Ferndale. I'm biting into this sandwich, and it took me back to Ferndale as a 10-year-old kid. The bread, the tapenade, the turkey, these are the kind of flavors I love. You either have to do each one of those pieces and do them exactly right, or it's not gonna work. You do it all right, with great ingredients and the right technique, you're gonna get this. Delicious. Okay, what are we gonna make?
I want to make some dough, and this is going to be the wheat part of the turkey.
The wheat part.
Which is the leg, the drumsticks, and the wings. Got some nice stone ground wheat flour. This is bread flour, a lot of gluten in here. Put a little bit of salt in there, a little bit of shortening, and let it mix for a little bit. Some molasses. That's going to give us some of the color, but also some of the sweetener too. And to soften up the dough a little bit, we're going to put some honey.
Darling.
Beautiful. And now we're going to add some water to it. I'm going to add it slowly, little by little by little. Time for the yeast. We got all the mixes in there, so here we go. We stop it, bring it all out here. And what I'm gonna do now to make a turkey is gonna be made in 3 parts. I'm gonna cut the drumsticks. The wings is gonna be about half a pound. There you go. I have another dough that I need to make the white part of the turkey, which is the breast. White flour, a little bit of sugar, salt, the shortening,
Gotcha.
water, and add the yeast. So here we go.
Okay. How long have you been doing this?
About 40 years.
40 years you've been making these?
Mm-hmm. Oh, this is gonna be the drumsticks.
I see it.
The dark meat. And then we're gonna do the body, which is the white part of the turkey, the breast, and this is gonna go right in here.
Seriously.
Okay, and I'm gonna twist it with this. Now, we're gonna do the wings. Okay, now, we're gonna cut the top part of the turkey, separate it. There
Okay.
you go, and then the wings. Separate them over here also. The bone.
Been a taxidermist. Giving you a little texture.
There you go. And I'm gonna do a very light egg wash, give it a golden color. Some rosemary, a little bit of parsley, a little rice, as high as you will.
Okay. Wait for it. Ready? There you go.
There we go, guys.
Look at that. That's beautiful.
Isn't that beautiful? There
I think
you
people
are.
would like to have a turkey that looked that good.
I'm gonna slice you a piece.
Okay.
How's that?
I like to have some of the knee.
A little knee right there.
Big crust on there. I get a little bit of that molasses.
There you go.
Try some of the breast.
There's a good part right there.
It has huge crust on it, but then it's just pillowy soft on the
On
inside.
the inside.
You get a little bit of that rosemary on that bread. Tastes like holiday right off the bat.